first piece that we are going to work on is this black and white frill top. So we are just going to cut out the frill from the bottom. Yes, I was struggling a lot here, so make sure to use a sharp pair of scissors for this process. Once we are done cutting the frill, keep the frill aside, and here we have a nice crop top ready. I'm placing it just to see if I'm satisfied. Now we are just going to flip it inside out. Now go ahead and grab some newspaper and make a nice half star shaped cutout just like so, and trace it onto your top using a pen. Once you are sure that the triangle part is in the center, don't hesitate to cut this portion out. So now I decided to just go ahead and cut out the neckline as well. Now I'm using the same piping to cover up our newly created neckline. I used fabric glue to stick it here, but it's totally up to you if you want to stitch it. And so here is our final product. For my next project, I am using this basic graphic tee, and again I have just flipped it inside out. Now using an inch tape and a chalk, I am just going to mark the center, and now using two broad paper tapes, I am just going to create a triangle, but make sure that it is even from both the sides. Now taking your scissors, cut out the triangle that you have formed, but make sure that you keep the neckline as it is. Once you are done, it should look something like this. Now we are going to work on to the sleeves. So I'm just taking the center of the sleeves and just cutting it out. Once you have made the cuts, just go ahead and take the two parts and tie it into a knot just like so. And I have done the similar thing on both the sides. So now again I have taken this V-neck t-shirt and I have already cropped it out, and this is the fabric that is left after cutting. So I'm just going to use this fabric and cut thin string of about 2 centimeters, and I'm going to keep both the fabrics with me. So now I have just again flipped the shirt inside out, and using the broader fabric here, we are just going to stitch 2 towards the end and 1 in the middle, just to create these 2 pocket kind of things. And now taking the thin strand that we cut it out, just attaching it with a safety pin, and we are just going to insert one part of it through the loop that we have created. Now attaching our safety pin to the other end of the strand, we are going to take the strand across the other loop. So once we are done, it should look something like this. Both the strands should come out from the 2 loops that we just created. Now this is our final product. You can just stretch it and use it, tie it according to yourself. So this one is my favorite because it's very easy and fun to make. So I have just this normal striped t-shirt, and I have taken another fabric and cut it out this cute pocket. You can make any shape pocket you want, and then using fabric glue, I've just sticked it onto it. And next, taking the fabric that we have cropped out from the t-shirt, I'm just going to make a bandana. So I've just created a 8 kind of shape here, and then I am just going to flip the other side over the 8. So once again, just make an 8 and then flip the other side over, and then take the 2 parts and match them together. So voila, our bandana is ready. For this DIY, we are going to use the back side of the tee. So I've just flipped it inside out, and this is the back part of the tee. So again, I've marked the center and placed 2 tapes just like we did earlier, and then cutted the V portion out. So next, I'm just going to go ahead using my punching machine. I'm going to create holes through both the sides. So once we are done creating the holes, I have just taken a thin fabric of black color, and I'm going to create the crisscross effect. So I'm just going to go ahead over the other side on the alternative hole, which I have demonstrated here. Now we are going to create the same effect on the other side as well. So once you are satisfied, it should look something like this, and I've taped both the ends. Flipping it inside out, it should look something like this, and voila.